most suitable or correct answer? Which one the data in following? The final result of the last election, the result at GCE O-level examination in 2014, capacity of RAM, ascending order mark sheet which is created using computer. When considering these four answers, the most suitable answer is the third one, capacity of RAM. Capacity of RAM can be taken as a data because these three are a collection of data. Second one, name the A and B blanks. This is A, this is B. Then as an input we are given data and it is converted to information as the output. So the answer is fourth one, data output. Third one, which is not a characteristic of good information. Relevance, fulfillment, accurate, it is a characteristic. Fulfillment, stored in computer. Information is not stored in computer only. Information can be stored in documents, books, like that we can store. So the second one is the most probable answer for the third question. Fourth one, which instrument is not used in health or medical field? ECG, EEG, it's correct. Second one, ATM or CAL. ATM, automated teller machine, it is used for banking services. So answer is second one. Fifth one, what is not correct details related to the computer generation? The first generation, vacuum tubes, it's correct. Mouse, in first generation mouse are not used. So the answer is first one, mouse, first generation, vacuum tubes, mouse, machine language. Sixth one, which of the following is only pointing device? When considering the A is touchscreen, it is a pointing device. B is joystick, it is also a pointing device, but web camera and barcode reader are not pointing devices. So answer we can take as only A and B. Fourth one is the answer for it. Now the next question. Which of the following option arranged the given storage? Given storage was arranged in second one because when compare JAS disk with zip disk and floppy disk, the storage rate is very low. And when comparing zip disk, the storage device is greater than JAS disk and less than floppy disk. So answer is second one. So eighth one, which key is not included in special key type in computer keyboard? Answer is fourth one, print screen. Ninth one, answer the questions number 9, 10, 11 using the following figure. What are the ports can we connect the printers? Printers can be connected by, this is parallel port. It is the most common port we are used to connect printers, and also we can connect by USB ports or universal serial bus, and also we can connect with VGA ports. So answer we can take as only D and E because F is not given in here, so second one can be considered as the answer. 10th question, we can connect multimedia projector into. Multimedia projectors can be connected to VGA ports, so answer can be taken as third one, and also we can take the answer as USB also, but the most suitable answer is VGA port in here. Next question. Networking cables are connected to RJ45 port. In here RJ45 port is represented by the letter B. So the answer for this, the 11th one is third one B. 12th one, what is the answer include in correct data transmission mode into following situations? Kamal and Nimal watch the TV. In here only the sender can be send the messages to the receivers. Only the TV is the one who sending the messages to Kamal and Nimal, but Kamal and Nimal cannot communicate with the TV. So it is simplex mode. And Ruwan calls to Ranil with telephone. So when Ruwan is calling to Ranil, Ranil and Ruwan can be communicate each other at same time. So we can name it as full duplex. Tushara sent the messages using walkie-talkie machine. Walkie-talkie machine is a machine that is used to the sender and the receiver is communicate by a walkie-talkie machine, but if only one can be communicate at a time. So this method is known as half duplex, and also it can be called as duplex. So the answer for the 12th one is third one, simplex, full duplex, half duplex. These are the ways of this is simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Next one, what is the binary code related to the following diagram? Normally the digital signals travels from ones and zeros, so this is digital signals. In this diagram we can see some lines which divides. That means ones are occurred at 2 times. In here 0, this one is divided, so here also 0. Again here 1, here 0, only 1 0 because it is not divided. And when coming to here, this one also divided. So this is 1, this is 1. Because of this division, automatically this part also will be divided. So this can be 0, this is also 0, and this is 1, this is 0. So the answer is 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Third one is the answer for this. Next question. Amal, Nalin, Dilisha and Sanjeev are members of a family. Amal's age 31 base 8, Nalin's age 28 base 16, Dilisha's age 10011 base 2 and Sanjeev's age 33 base 10. Who is the eldest one among them? First, I am going to converting these octal, hexa and binary values into decimal values. So first I am going to convert Amal's age. Amal's age is 31 base 8. Want to convert it into base 10. 1 representing 8 to the power 0, that means 1 times 8 to the power 0, while 3 is representing, then 3 times 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8, that means 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 1 times 8 to the power 0 is 0 is equal to 1 times 8 to the power 0 means 1, then 1 times 1 is equal to 1. When adding these two, 24 and 1, the answer will become as 25 base 10. Now I am going to convert Nalin's age into a decimal number. Nalin's age is equal to 28 base 16. Now we are going to convert it into base 10. So 8 is representing 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 0 means 1. and 8 times 1, then it is equal to 8. Then 2 is representing 16 to the power 1. Then 2 times 16 is equal to 32. Then when compare the addition, when getting the addition of these two, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 remaining, and 3 plus 1, 40. Sanjeeva's age is not changing because the base is already given in decimal form. Now I am going to convert Delicia's age into decimal form. In here, this one is representing 2 to the power 0. This is representing 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and the last one is representing 2 to the power 5. So, the last one, 1 times 2 to the power 5, it is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 5 means 32. Then 32 is the answer. 0 times 2 to the power 4. 0 has no value. 0, when multiplying 0 with any number, the answer coming is 0. In here also the same manner, 0, here also 0. And this one, 1 times 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2, then 1 times 2 equal 2. And the last one, it is representing 1 times 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 representing 1, then 1 times 1, it is equal to 1. When adding these 32, 2 and 1, 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 35 is the answer. And now when we compare the 4 ages, 25, 40, 33 and 35, Nalin's age, that means 40 is the greatest age. So in here the answer is second one, Nalin. Now I am going to the next page. P equal 10 10 10 11 base 2 and Q equal 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 base 2. Then find the value P subtract by Q. Now first I am going to see whether these two subtractions are equal to this value. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. We cannot subtract 0 from 1, 0 by 1. So I am taking 1 from here. So this becomes 0, 2 minus 1, 1. In here also we cannot subtract 0 by 1. Then I am borrowing here, then becomes 0, here 1 and then here 2. 2 subtract 1 1, 1 subtract 0 1, 0 subtract 0 0, 0 subtract 1 cannot do, so I am again borrowing here 2, then here 0, 2 subtract 1 1. So this is not the answer. Now I am going to convert this answer, the binary value, into octal value to see whether the answer is correct. So before converting it to octal number, we should divide the binary value into 3 groups. 3 groups like this, and after that we have to find the values of these. So 0 0 1, here 2 to the power 0, this is representing first last 0 is representing 2 to the power 0, this is representing 2 to the power 1, here representing 2 to the power 2. Then 0 has when multiplying 0 by any number, the answer is 0, therefore we will multiply only the 1. Then 1 times 2 to the power 2 means 4. Then the 100 is 100 is representing 4. Now here 0 1 1, here representing 2 to the power 0, here representing 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 0 means 1 times 1 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 1 means 2. 0 has no 0 times 2 to the power 2 means 0. Then answer is 3. In here this one is representing 2 to the power 0, then automatically the answer is 1. So after combining these 3 octal values we can get the answer as 134 base 8 octal number. So this is the answer for 15th one. When converting this one into decimal value, the answer is 92 base 10. And also when converting this binary value, that means p subtract q is equal to this binary value, no? So when converting it into hexadecimal, the answer will be 5c base 60. Now the next one. What is the value of a? Now what is the value of a? This is the a. Now we have to find the value of a. RGB means it stands for R is stands for red, G is stands for green, B is stands for blue. So to find the a, we have to find separately the R is hexadecimal, G is hexadecimal and B is hexadecimal. First I am going to find the R is hexadecimal. Then 16 divided by 50. Answer is 16 times 3 equal 48. 50 subtract 48. The answer will be remainder is 2. Then there are no 3's in 16. So it is taken as the remainder and we can get the final answer as R is equal to 32 base 16. Next one. G is equal to 153 base 10. Now we have to convert it into hexadecimal number. 153 divided by 16. 16 times 9, 144. When subtracting 144 from 153, remainder will become as 9. There are no 9's in 16, so we are taking brought that 9 as the remainder. Then G, that means green value is equal to 99 base 16. After that, the final step is to convert the B value to hexadecimal number. So 16 times 1 it is 16 and 4 remaining, then here 44. 16 times 2 it is 32, then remain 44 minus 32 is the remainder is 12. There are no 12's in 66, therefore I am putting a 0 here and brought the remainder here. Then in hexadecimal 12 is representing by the letter C. So we can write B is equal to 2 C's base 16, CC base 16. Then RGB value when convert into hexadecimal value, it is equal to #3299cc. So the first two digits are representing the R value. Second two digits are representing the G value, while the last two digits are representing the B value of this sum. First one is the answer for this question. Now the next question. What is the equal capacity value of a 3 KB icon in the desktop? 1 kilobyte is equal to 2048 nibble. It's the formula. When to find 3 KB, we should multiply this 2048 into 3. Then when multiplying 2048 into by 3, the final answer will become as 6144 nibble. So answer is third one, 6144 nibble. 18th one. How many bits are used to represent one character in EBCD code system? EBCD code means extended binary coding, coded decimal interchange code. So this is the EBCD code long form E, B, C, D, I, C. These are the first letters of this sentence, of these words. And there are 8 bits are representing in EBCD code system. Answer is second one. Next question. What is the correct logic circuits related to the following truth table? So this is A, this is B, A0011, 0101. Output is only this is 1 and the rest of 3 are 0. Then this is a NOR gate. Because when we consider the OR gate outputs, it is 0, 1, 1, 1. When a NOT gate is combined to OR gate, the output will be the bar values, therefore the output will be 1 and the rest of 3 are 0. So answer for this question is third one. 20th question. Simplify the following Boolean expression 1.1 plus 0.1. So 1.1 in here 0.1 is representing the role of gate. That means if only the two inputs are 1, the output will be 1. If 1 or 2 inputs are 0, the output will be 0. In here 1.1 it is equal to 1 because the 2 inputs are 1. But in this next one 0.1, because of this output, because of this input is 0, therefore the final answer will be 0. When adding this one, it is representing the role of OR gate. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Final answer is 1. Next question. What is the Boolean expression related to the following logic gate circuits? This is A, this is B, and this is a NAND gate. So the final output is A dot B bar, and this A gate and B gate again interconnected with a NOR gate. The final output will be A plus B bar. This output is again connected with an AND gate. So the final output, that means for this output, for this gate, the output will be C dot A plus B bar, and this output and also this output connected to a OR gate. So the final result of this Boolean expression is A dot B bar plus C dot A plus B bar. This is the final result of this Boolean expression. So the answer is second one. And now the next question. Now the next question. 22. The value of x plus bar y plus y is, as same as in mathematics, in Boolean expressions also we should have a method to solve expressions. First we should solve the brackets, after that bar not means bar values, after that dot values, it means multiplication, after that plus values, that means addition. In here also first we have to do the bracket part. Bar y plus y. Bar y means minus y. Bar y is also represented as minus y. Then minus y plus y. Then we can cut these two and get the final result as 0. Then x plus 0. After that, after solving the bracket part, there is no not bar value part, and then we are going to the third step, whether to find end part, that means multiplication part. There is no multiplication part, and lastly we are going to the addition part. So addition part is here. X plus 0, it is equal to x. In here for 22nd question the answer will be fourth one. 23rd question. Consider the following computer programs and softwares, which are the utility programs of them. A. Antivirus software, it's an utility program. Disk cleanup is also utility program. Language translate is not an utility program. DOS is also not an utility program. Language translate is going to translate in software, as well as DOS is going to operate in software. And the final answer is third one, only A and B. Now the 24th question. Consider the following softwares. What are the operating systems of them? DOS is an operating system. Windows XP also operating system. Linux is also operating system, but Explorer is not an operating system. It's a web browsing software. So answer is A, B and C. That means the first one. And next one, this next page. What are the MSD and LSD value of 1357.0 is? MSD means most significant digit, LSD means least significant digit. Then in here MSD is 1, LSD is 7 because 0.00 has no value in decimal. So answer is third one. 26. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. Answer is third one. 27. Which is not a facility of word processing softwares? Insert pictures to document, it's a facility. Creating animation, it's not a facility, it's a facility of PowerPoint softwares. So second one is the answer. 28th question. What is the most suitable task or method to change the typed word for as FORE in a word for in a Word document? So the most suitable method is find and replace. It is in the home tab. There is a word name, there is a icon named replace. After clicking it, we can change this for 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 typed word or incorrect word into FORE 4. So answer is third one. Now the next question. What is the most suitable application to use the topic of cover page? In a word, when consider the four answers, the answer is word art. Now next one, answer the question number 30 to 32 using the following Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet. 30th question, what is the answer which include the correct steps to create title as shown in the mark sheet? So this is the mark sheet A. So this is the mark sheet that is typed as A. This is the title. So the merge and center is used in here. We can tell the answer as second one, select cells, merge cell, type mark sheet. 31st question, what are the formula should enter to E4 and E8 values to get E8 cells to get values? So here should be and. Here should be and. E4 and E8. E4 means this one. That means total marks of Kamal. To find the total marks of Kamal, we can find by using sum function equals sum B4 to D4, and also E8 means this part. This part is not given. This part should be the full total of Kamal, Chamal, Ruwan and Delisha. So it should be equal sum E3 to not E3, E4 to E7. Now next one. Now the answer for the 31st question is equal sum B4 to D4 and equal sum E4 to E7. Now the next sum. What are the relevant formula should enter to B8 and D8 cells to get those values? B8 and D8. This is B8. B8 means 20 and D8 means 80. So 20 is taken by the minimum marks of max, while 80 is taken by the maximum marks of science. Then answer can be taken as fourth one B4 to B7 and equal max D4 to D7. Next one. Slide design used to create PowerPoint presentation because. What is a truth statement? We can reduce the time. This is false because the time is managed by the person who create the slideshow or the presentation. So the time cannot be taken as a suitable answer. There is a color scheme for suitable slideshow. It's correct. There is a relevant color scheme for relevant theme. So it's correct. There are action buttons to slideshow. Yeah, we can take action buttons to slideshows. So answer is B and C. 34th question, which is not a electronic presentation software. In here, the electronic presentation software, not the electronic presentation software, is Coral Perfect. Because Coral Perfect is a Word document. It is act as Microsoft Word. And also Coral Perfect is also known by the name Coral Word Perfect. 35th. This icon is shown as this icon is slideshow icon. It is also like it is also now the next page. There are two types of database. A database can be divided into two groups as electronic database and A is manual database. Answer is first one. 37. What is the database management software? Which is the? So database management software, very popular one is Microsoft Access. These are not database softwares. This icon is represented in Microsoft Access. This is design view. What is the connecting device is used to computer networking task? To connect computers, the most probable connecting device used nowadays is switch. Answer is third one. 40th question. There are some names of electronic devices. Which one of the above devices can be share knowledge with large audience? So, multimedia projector. It's a projector, so we can project to a large audience. Flat scanner. B. Flat scanner. Scanner is used to scan pictures, so it's not a device that can be project towards a large audience, so it's not the answer. C. Slide projector. It's also correct. D. Overhead projector. It's also correct. So the answer for this one, answer for the last question is only A, C and D. This is the answer for the 40th question.